Welcome everybody to the Goodman Brands Flat Rate Price Book Set Review. My name is Wendell Bedell. I'm president of GrowMyHVAC.com and I'll be today's facilitator. The agenda that we'd like to follow today is first, just give you a brief introduction to who we are as the industry's premier retail, residential, and commercial service HVAC training organization. Then we're going to talk about the benefits of using flat rate service repair and flat rate installation in the field as a competitive advantage. And then we're going to review the Goodman Brands Price Book program. And then we're going to discuss how you can get and implement your flat rate price book set today. Now, what makes us different? Well, we're the first in the industry to set up and update on the contractor's behalf the retail residential flat rate service repair and the installation price book sets. We're also the first in the industry to provide, based on research, a complete, ready-built, franchise-like retail residential or commercial service contractor website, departmental processes, forms, staff online job training, and live implementation support right at your desktop. And we're the first in the industry to provide 100% money-back guarantee. Now, we're also the developers of the Goodman Brand Partnership Program, where for as little as the price of a cup of coffee a day, we can help you make the phone ring more by providing a best practice Goodman Brands HVAC contractor website and seasonally timed proven lead generation campaigns. We also help you make the phone ring more by providing you service and installation flat rate price book sets, professional service and sales call handling processes and forms. We also provide you efficient written and work delivery standards and forms. And we also provide you effective labor productivity management processes, as well as benchmarking and key performance indicator rules-based management. And then we also help you make more money by training your staff right at your desktop, and then providing you unlimited access to consulting support to get the proven processes implemented within your business. And then naturally, we help you make a heck of a lot more free time by helping you manage processes, not people. Okay, now let's talk about a few dealer testimonials in regards to the Goodman Brands industry's best way to achieve success. This Goodman Brands dealer website is the best thing since pockets were put on t-shirts. I'm serious. You provided me with thousands of dollars in costly website services and working with people where I had to do all the content work myself. The best part is, you also provided me with a proven consumer-friendly 27-page website design with built-in organic SEO, free special offer updates, and ongoing reliable hosting services. In fact, the Goodman Brands dealer website is truly the single most effective and least costly means to reach 100% of your consumer markets. The first 10 days of the month, we secured 2 jobs for our replacement crews. The remainder of the month, we secured 19 jobs. I attribute our amazing improvement to your turnkey service call handling system. Since we began using the fix-right flat rate pricing, no technician who worked with it wanted to go back to the time and material method. It's more customer friendly, no math, no taxes, and almost no writing. No pressure, they simply love it. Our selling techs love your upfront price book. The company presentation portion has professionalized our company as helping us convert more no heat, no cool calls to replacement and system enhancement sales. Now, a little bit about the credibility about the programs we're presenting here today. In the 2010 Comfort Tech product showcase, our flat rate pricing and our training programs won first prize. Now let's take a look now at the Goodman Brands Price Book program, designed to help our dealers make a fair profit without alienating the consumer customer. Now, the two flat rate price books offered under the program is the Fix Right, which is the service repair price book designed to be used by service technicians in the field. The other is the flat rate Goodman Brands installation price book, which is designed to be used by either a selling tech and or a comfort advisor. Now, each of the price books, whether it be the Fix Right Service Repair or the Goodman Brands Home Comfort Certified System installation price book, is only $35 subscription per month. Or you can subscribe to both books for $70 per month. Now, there's no additional setup fees. There's no any other fees whatsoever. And naturally, of course, you can have unlimited amount of updates. Now, to obtain a price book today, all is required is the one-page order form setup. Once we get the order form set up for an installation price book, however, we also then solicit you to provide us your most current Goodman and or Amana pricing from your Goodman Brands vendor. Typically, it's a 24-hour turnaround. You can have unlimited price book updates. In other words, if you had the books produced for service in January, you've already had one refrigerant R22 doubled in February, so you'd probably be looking for another update, and that would not have cost you anything. Also, you can print as many books as needed locally without any additional fees, unlike any other price book vendor that may be out there. Dealers can customize their price book with their logos. And price book sets naturally are included free in the residential ready-built HVAC contractor programs that are offered under the Goodman Brands Partnership Program. Okay, now let's take a real close look at the Goodman Brands Fix Right Flat Rate Service Repair Price Book. Now, once you receive the repair price book from us in a PDF file, it does include technician user training, training on the strategies for repairing in and out of equipment that's in and out of warranty, how to price up miscellaneous and quoted work. Let's say you need 4 hours of labor and $150 in material cost. What you could provide a retail price to the consumer customer out of this price book for that. It also provides an explanation on all calls, to help the customer identify the need for routine maintenance on their heating and air conditioning equipment. Now, the Fix Right Service Repair Price Book won first prize at ComfortTech 2010, probably because of the way it communicates not only with the technician but also with the consumer customer. There are reminders on all repairs that are critical repairs to remind the technician to do certain types of tasking to prevent costly callbacks. But there's also the means to, on every single repair, communicate to the consumer customer the need for periodic maintenance, which helps you lock in future replacement sales. Now, the repair codes, there are 8 digits in the repair codes. The first 4 digits on the left-hand side are nothing but a placeholder. So a 0101 is section 1, repair tasking item number 1. But the second 4 digits has an imaginary decimal point right in the middle. So a 0075 is really 0.75 hours. A 0125 is really 1.25 hours. So the diagrams that are included in the Fix Right Repair Price Book match up to each of the section's repairs to help you better communicate with your consumer customers so that you can, again, in simple layman terms, explain what caused it, what's to fix, and then how can the consumer prevent this from happening again, which points back to your program periodic maintenance discount option on the service ticket. Now, in the Fix Right Service Repair Price Book, you have a system enhancement section so when you interview the customer during your walkthrough of their home, and you discover that they need better control, better comfort, better health, you can actually offer them system enhancements right out of your Fix Right Price Book retail. Also, you have a miscellaneous and unclassified repair section. So let's say you need 4 hours of labor and a couple $100 in materials to relocate the condenser around the side of the house. you can come here to price that quoted work up. Now, the invoice shown here is included in the partnership program. However, the point we're going to make here is that when you price your service invoice, to not round up the numbers in the retail or retail overtime columns, so that the numbers are perceived to be tight. For instance, replacing a run capacitor for $149.40, or replacing a fan motor for $391.99. The cents actually helps make the number look tight versus budget. Now, we do provide a fixed rate upload available for your accounting system under either of the residential departmental tracks that are included in the partnership program. Now, to get the fixed rate price book, usually same day, requires you to submit this back to us, fax document back to us, so we can go ahead and produce your book. All we require, really, to produce your flat rate price book for service is, what do you pay a lead technician? And the reason why we say lead technician is because you don't want to be using averages, only because if you're going out doing service repair, you don't want to ever lose money on a service call. So typically you're telling us what the lead tech rate is without benefits and insurance, what's your local tax rate that you pay at the counter to pick up your parts and pieces. And then you can leave all the other defaults pretty much alone if you don't know them. So you don't have to go through any kind of a sustained effort looking at your financials to set up your price book. Now, naturally, the flat rate price book is included in the complete service department track, along with all the other things that make up a complete department, such as your lead generation scripts, your ads, your professional service call handling procedures and forms, inbound call handling scripts, the price book, uploads, either an iPad or a tablet or your accounting program, easy service agreement, upsell. We also provide a best-in-class flat rate invoice along with a maintenance agreement program to help you close 8 out of 10 service agreements on calls. We also provide you online job staff training for your service manager, your dispatchers, receptionists, and your technicians. We also provide you performance-based pay, written standard operating procedures, and naturally unlimited expert implementation support. Okay, now let's turn our attention to the Goodman brand's Home Comfort Certified System Flat Rate Installation Price Book. Now, just like the Fixed Rate Service Repair Price Book, the Home Comfort Certified System Price Book comes with Selling Tech and Comfort Advisor Sales Price Book User Training. We also provide an advanced course on how to use the Home Comfort Certified System Price Book as a competitive advantage in the field to close more work. Now, you can easily show affordability, which is unique to this price book. You can actually show the customer the net monthly cost of ownership, which is very powerful. And you can also, if you're going to get low off a published book, then you want to be using rebates between your published price and the lower price that you're using, which again, we'll teach you how to do. Now, the Goodman and/or Amana, or the Goodman Amana Home Comfort Certified System Price Book comes with a presentation to be used by a comfort advisor in the front 4 sections of the price book. So that studies show that if you actually don't cover these 4 areas with your consumer customer, then you could actually be inviting competition where none really need to be present. So the first thing you're going to cover with the customer when you're in the home is, who you are, what makes you different. And then what is the regulatory compliant approach that you're going to use today to get the customer exactly what they want at the lowest possible cost that's endorsed by the Department of Energy and the local utility companies. And then why is it that your company actually has to set the standards of performance in the area? Because 9 out of 10 systems installed by others in your area have serious installation issues right from the go-get. And this is what goes on. And 6 out of 10 have serious airflow distribution issues. So if they want to be in the top 10% of the industry of a successful install, then they want to be doing business with you. And then what can they expect before, during, and post installation? Now, the price books that we deliver to you in a PDF file, the pricing section, the actual equipment is laid out in a good, better, best, premium type configuration. On the left-hand side are the system benefits, starting with the energy savings first, and then other benefits of the actual equipment itself, in related to the consumer buyer. And then at the very bottom of the page includes a description of all the things that are included in the base installation. When you've identified the proper scope of work, again, in the selling processes we provide you under the partnership program, we do give you survey forms and everything else you need to do such. But anyway, let's say you do use a proper process to identify the proper scope of work. You can itemize the installation pricing to the consumer customer, including any add option deducts to either fix ductwork or make repairs at the time of your install. And then you're going to total up the total investment at the bottom of the investment option worksheet. Now, we provide you finance tables and energy savings tables. In the finance tables, you can simply go, even if they're paying cash, to the home equity table and take out and identify a monthly payment that you could put underneath your total investment. Then go to the energy savings tables, and if you're taking out a 8-SEER system and putting in a 16-SEER system, then you put the monthly savings underneath the monthly payment, and then subtract the savings from the payment so that you can show the customer just how affordable the net monthly cost of ownership is. Now, given the much higher risk of loss associated with HVAC replacement business, getting less than 12% net profit before taxes is really not acceptable. Contractors should be striving between 12 and 22% net profit before taxes. You never discount off your published price, since it will make your pricing less credible. So instead, you want to be offering a rebate, even though it will be coming from you. Only reduce your pricing up to your walkaway price. Okay, and that's the key, because once you know what your walkaway price is, we can show you how to use. We can show you. Now, to get either the Goodman or the Amana, or a combination of either one, price book, all we need from you is what you pay your crew chief, what goes in this envelope without the benefits and insurance, same thing with the helper, and what is the material tax rate that you have to pay when you're at the counter. You can pretty much leave all the other defaults alone. You want to provide us your local utility rates, for kWh and for gas. If you use oil or propane, then you can give us that as well. The operating hours, if you don't know what the heating and cooling degree operating hours are, then we will provide that for you through the AHRI tables. But typically, and then of course, if you offer any financing, you want to give that to us as well. Now, if you're just getting the flat rate price book for $35 per month subscription, then you would fill this form out and provide the credit card information to us. However, if you've signed up for the Ready Built service department track or the installation department track, then you get the price books included in the residential partnership program. So the form that we provide you for that doesn't require any financial information to be provided, because it's free and it's included in the program. Now, the installation price book under the Ready Built Retail Residential Installation Department includes all the lead generation, the ads, the direct mail campaigns, the professional sales call handling procedures and forms. Naturally, the price book is included in the track in that department. We can provide you an upload for an iPad or a tablet so it pops nice, or you can put it into a 1-inch binder with 8 tabs. It's already designed in a good, better, best premium upsell format. It also includes best practice installation proposal agreement template that ties in not only to the installed right solution survey you conduct with the customer, but also all the benefits that are located in the Goodman brand's price book. It also provides online job training for your installation manager, comfort advisor, selling techs. It provides performance-based pay and written installation department standards and forms to help you become a little bit more efficient and profitable in your installation delivery. Naturally, all our programs come with unlimited expert implementation support, and naturally, the job training is provided right at your desk. Now, on this webpage, there are links to the Goodman Brands Pricebook setup preview. You can preview the books. You can preview the order forms. You can download the order forms. And there's also setup instructions. It also includes the Goodman Brands Dealer Program Partnership Catalog. It also includes a direct connection to your Goodman Brands Partnership Advisor. Now, I'm going to switch your attention now to the Goodman Brands Dealer Partnership Program enrollment and pricing options, because you can buy the books by themselves on a monthly subscription, as we've shown, but they're also included free within the Goodman Brands residential partnership program tracks that we offer. To enroll in a Goodman Partnership Training program, simply download the Goodman Partnership Training Catalog right on this webpage. Print out the 2-page partnership agreement that's located inside the catalog. Select which of the 7 partnership programs best meet your needs, and then simply complete and fax us back the 2-page license agreement to our secure fax at 832-553-3178. Upon receipt, we'll notify you of your acceptance via email and phone call to confirm. Now, in the email, we'll provide you instant instructions to instantly get access to the online training 24/7 for you and your staff. However, we'll also assign a business fitness coach to your account and invite you to meet so that you can jointly explore your specific business improvement impact initiatives and to help you identify which departmental tracks you should start with first. And naturally, for the best value, the combined Goodman Brands website, price books, selling systems, and all 6 complete departmental tracks will save you up to 35% by going for the $225 a month subscription. Now, unlike any other training organization out there, our program comes with a written 100% money-back guarantee. But make sure to ask us if there's any brand or distributor incentives that may be available to you in your geographic area. Now, you can get a Goodman Brands website and all 6 HVAC departments. That's residential service, residential installation, financial management, human resource management, but also commercial service and commercial design build for $225 a month, or without a Goodman Brands website for $195 a month. Now, you can get 2 residential service and installation or commercial service and design build with a website for $175 a month, or without a website for $145 a month. Now, the whole objective of the partnership program is to help you improve your revenues and help you stop profit leaks. We want to make sure that you're harvesting from your existing customers as well as those prospects within your geographic area through improved lead generation and improved selling processes, so that you can make more on the jobs that are coming in, and then we help you plug up all the different leaks, operating leaks in the back of your operation, so that you can make the estimated gross profit margin that you have built into your pricing system. So I thank you very much for participating in today's webinar. If you have any questions at all about the Goodman Brands price book set, either for the service repair or for the installation, please contact me directly right on this website. There's a direct link right to my email, as well as you can download or demo any of the books right there. But if you have any questions, give me a call, 603-557-1611.